Guys, welcome back to the part 2 of our kitty cat.
Yeah.
We're almost done and this is getting a little bit weird. So we should do this to the body.
Mm-hmm.
And then could you give me two screws, Daddy? I mean 3 screws. Let's
One.
put one there. Oh,
Two.
No, put one here. Yeah, yes. And one more.
Drill. Tighten it. Good job, then, David. Or you could just use your hand.
Look, it's easier if you use a drill. It's tightened.
Okay.
Next. Oh, I think
How about the tail now?
that's the body. So we just got to keep going.
Keep going. That's the tail, right?
No, that was close. That's
Right
not
here.
the tail. That's not the tail. No, that's not the tail. You're ruining it, Daddy, I think. Oh, I get
Okay.
it. I think we ran out of space a little bit. That's okay. We do it. This is the other part of the body. So next we need one. This is the leg.
Oh, yeah.
This is the foot.
Okay. You want the green screw?
Yes.
Oops. You're doing good.
And see, look,
That's
this
cool.
is the foot, the whole foot. That's the foot. Take a look at this. It's getting even good.
Yeah. I love it.
We're going to make the other foot here.
Okay.
Now we should use the red screw. Actually, no, not yet. We still got to need this triangle and this triangle for here.
Mm-hmm.
And then...
What else?
And then put 2 green screws and screw it.
There we go.
Can you help me?
Please.
Please, Dad. So close.
Always say please, okay?
Okay.
There we go. I love your cat.
Yeah, also we have to choose the screen and put in the center. No.
It won't fit. There we go.
Here. But first we need one more of this. Yeah, the red one. I could use the red one. This is the other leg, so this is the other leg. And this is so long. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. You want to put it on top of it, right?
Yeah,
or on
that's
top
the-
of each other.
Oh, otherwise, could you help me a little bit? One here. Okay.
There we go.
Perfect. And here.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Take a blue screw.
Tighten it. Right. Perfect.
Right on.
Oh, you know what? I saw something in here. Let's try to open it. Oh, you know what? We could put some red in here to make it, look, the eyes of the cat.
Yeah, that's what I saw too.
Whoa.
Dad, we're missing something.
What?
The tail. First, what about we should add a little cat figurine
Okay.
and make it as the cat tail? How about that?
That's
No.
right.
No, what about we... Okay, and then we should make the tail. But how are we going to make the tail? We need this and
Just keep it
this
longer.
and
There we go. Yep.
this. The cat eyes, no!
Right here.
Thanks, Dad.
Very welcome.
Next, we should do this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the tail's getting long. Oh, it's attached to the leg. I should do right here.
Good job.
I guess we made it too long. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Help me. I don't need help
Wow.
anymore. This one's.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
Oh, come on. I think something's wrong. We need to add the other part, right?
Uh-huh.
So it will look like the cat's tail.
Mm-hmm. Good job, young David.
Okay, one more thing.
Okay, last one.
Last screw. Oh. Okay. Oh.
All right. That looks like a cat now.
We're done now.
Yeah.
We're done with the cat. What do you guys think?
Let's see. Show it to your
What do you
friends.
guys think?
Yeah. You got ears, the face and the eyes, neck, the body, the what are these?
The legs and the feet, the tail. But there's
Okay.
something missing.
Huh?
We forgot a bow tie.
That's all right.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Bye guys, and see you later. Next channel will be of the building will be the Ferris wheel.
Okay. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe and share my videos. Bye.